In this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on dark mode in Google Gmail. So what we're gonna have to do is simply go to Gmail, and then we just have to click on the settings in the top right corner. Now from here, we just have to click on see all settings and go to themes. Click on set theme, and then from here, we're gonna have to pick dark. Now, as you can see, if I choose soft gray, it's going to turn into white. Now, if we select default, this is the default one, but if you want to turn dark mode, you just have to select dark, and basically that's it. Now, on the mobile phone, it's different because it's based on your phone theme. So if you set your theme in your phone settings to dark mode, you'll have your Gmail in dark mode. So basically, that's all you have to do. Make sure to check out my other tutorials too, because you're gonna find them really useful. So basically, that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. So see you in the next video.